Welcome back to the another thrilling match between Egypt versus Venezuela. The match has been started. Mohamed, beautiful pass to Salah, nicely dodged by Navarro. Torrent matches. Salah again leading the ball. Beautiful pass, Trezeguet leading the ball. Nicely passed to Imam. Trezeguet, another chance, direct hit, touch the player. Again hit and goal. The first goal just after 7 minutes. Mohamed Salah. Beautiful celebration style. Trezeguet did magnificent kick, touch to the left pole, but Salah completed this goal. That is appreciated. Beautifully done just after 8 minutes. Egypt 1, Venezuela 0. Egypt is now leading by 1 goal. Rendon. Navarro. Salah again leading the ball. This time Weather achieved the goal. Trezeguet hit and goal. The second goal just after 16 minutes. Trezeguet. Beautiful pass by Salah and Trezeguet did magnificent goal. Beautifully executed. No mistake. Directly hit to the net. Egypt 2, Venezuela 0. Egypt is now leading by 2 goals. A big pressure built on Venezuela team players because just start of the first 16 minutes, Egypt got their 2 goals. That is a big warning to Venezuela team players. Darwin matches this time leading the ball. But the defenders putting their full efforts to defend against Egypt. Beautiful pass. Ferraresi. Osorio. Rafael. Nicely clear. Bello leading the ball. Again, nicely clear. 35 minutes have been paused. Still, Venezuela team players are defending because at the start of the game, Egypt start to attack over Venezuela. Hit but outside of the pole. Well tried by Mohamed El-Neni. Ferraresi. Martinez passing to Gonzalez. Omar Marmoush. This time nicely clear. Torrent matches.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Egypt did 2 magnificent goals just in 16 minutes. Let's see what will happen in the second half. Whether Venezuela will attack and defend these 2 goals. Let's see what will happen. Gonzalez leading. Passing to Jefferson. Big chance, but nicely clear by the defender. Trezeguet leading the ball. Egypt.
This match was 60,810.
Jefferson. Beautiful pass. Rendon. Darwin matches. There is a chance. Hit. Nicely clear. In the second half, Venezuela is totally planning to attack over Egypt and they are trying their best. Chance for Umar Marmosh, but beautifully clear. Only 20 minutes remaining for this game to be completed, and still Venezuela is struggling for their first goal. Imam, direct hit outside of the pole. Rafael, nice kick. Bello leading the ball. Martinez again dodged by Imam. Trezeguet. Ferrarsi, beautiful pass to Jefferson. Nicely dodged by Dead Jefferson. Bello passing. Trezeguet. Bello again leading the ball. Nicely clear. Mohamed Salah. The time is over. Egypt 2, Venezuela 0. Egypt won this match.